The Stormwater Quality Pollutant Interactive Calculator helps engineers quickly determine pollutant loads and concentrations in stormwater runoff. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate pollutant load, calculate concentration, calculate removal efficiency, calculate required treatment volume, calculate event mean concentration, and calculate annual pollutant load. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Pollutant Load mode. The input fields include pollutant concentration in milligrams per liter, runoff volume in cubic meters, pollutant load in kilograms, influent concentration, effluent concentration, target removal efficiency as a percentage, drainage area in hectares, runoff depth in millimeters, event mean concentration, annual runoff depth in millimeters per year, total pollutant mass in kilograms, and total runoff volume in cubic meters. Let me show you a calculation using test values of 10 for each applicable field, with a pollutant concentration of 10 milligrams per liter and a runoff volume of 10 cubic meters. The calculator determines the pollutant load is 0.100 kilograms, which equals 0.220 pounds. The mass concentration calculates to 0.001,000 kilograms per cubic meter. The status confirms calculation complete, verifying all computations processed successfully. This tool streamlines stormwater quality assessments for engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.